September is National Suicide Prevention Month, and with the coronavirus pandemic, so many more people are experiencing stress and anxiety. In tonight's Wear the Gown, Eyewitness News reporter Jeremy Baker finds out what signs to look for and how to get someone help before it's too late.
The CDC says 1 in 4 young adults between the ages of 18 and 24 contemplated suicide in the past month. Many of those thoughts related to the pandemic, but the Zero Suicide program aims to bring that number down.
We also don't have the things that we naturally cope. We can't go out necessarily as much as we used to.
Jose Gonzalez is the Zero Suicide Program Manager in the Department of Community Initiatives and Population Health within the University Health System. He says people need to socialize.
We're very personable people. We like to be around and be with mom and talk to people, and you lose the social connection.
Recognizing signs of possible suicide is key.
If you notice a behavioral change, you're not behaving the way you normally do, I think that's a big clue.
Some of those behavioral signs are a history of suicide attempts, acquiring a gun or stockpiling guns, co-occurring symptoms of depression such as moodiness or hopelessness, putting personal affairs in order, and substance abuse. There are also situational clues.
If I lose my job, or there's an anticipation of losing your job because being furloughed, loss of a major relationship.
Firearms is something else to consider because 60% of all deaths by firearms are suicide.
In general, gun owners were very much for gun safety, and if a person's struggling with suicide, I don't think that they would necessarily be against somebody helping them out and taking the guns away from them for a little bit of time while they go through the suicidal crisis.
If you think someone is contemplating suicide, talk to them about it. Don't wait. Give them hope and point them in the right direction, and give them the number to the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. We have that number with this story on KENS5.com. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
For more information about family health, call 210-358-3045. You can also find the rest of Wear the Gown stories. Just go to wearthegown.com.